Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Dymo LabelManager 210D, the Dymo AC adapter. This power supply cord is designed to be fully compatible with the Dymo 1730345 LabelManager 210D thermal transfer unit, promising to keep your labeling tasks running smoothly without interruption. One of the most critical aspects of any power supply is safety, and this Dymo adapter truly shines in that department. It boasts international quality certifications, ensuring it meets top industry standards. This translates into real peace of mind for the user. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, preventing damage to your label maker and potential electrical hazards. It also features overvoltage protection, safeguarding your device from power surges, and overcurrent protection, ensuring a stable power flow. Furthermore, internal overheating protection adds another layer of security, automatically shutting down if temperatures become unsafe. These comprehensive safety features mean you can plug in your Dymo LabelManager 210D with confidence, knowing it's well protected. Moving on to its operational capabilities, the input specifications are quite versatile. This adapter accepts AC 240V at 5060 Hz. What this means for the user is broad compatibility, allowing it to be used in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter, assuming you have the correct physical plug adapter. This flexibility is a huge plus. The manufacturer also highlights its high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a stable working temperature. An efficient adapter generates less heat, contributing to its own longevity and ensuring a consistent, reliable power flow to your Dymo LabelManager 210D, preventing performance issues during critical labeling jobs. Physically, the Dymo AC adapter is a practical and unobtrusive piece of equipment. It comes in a standard black color, designed to blend in with most office or workspace setups. Weighing in at a mere 4 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to transport if you need to move your label maker between different locations or simply want a spare adapter for on-the-go use. Its compact dimensions, approximately 4 inches in length, 3 inches in width, and 4 inches in height, mean it won't take up much space on your power strip or in your bag. A very important point to remember, and one the manufacturer emphasizes, is to always ensure you choose the right device before purchasing. While this adapter is specifically designed for the Dymo 1730345 LabelManager 210D, it's always wise to double-check your label maker's model number to guarantee perfect compatibility. This small step can save you a lot of hassle down the line. In summary, for anyone looking for a reliable, safe, and efficient power supply for their Dymo LabelManager 210D, the Dymo AC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice. Its robust safety features, global input compatibility, efficient operation, and compact design make it a highly recommended accessory to keep your labeling tasks powered up and productive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.